What's up, everybody? Welcome to yet another video on trigonometry, where we're using a diagram to assist us and express the asked questions in terms of whatever is given. So today's example, let's have a look at this one is saying that sine theta is equals to 8 over 17, where theta is greater than 90 but less than 270. Find out the following with an aid of a diagram. All right, great stuff. Okay, so now, first thing first, when you read the question, right here, what is given, it's you would remember from Sakato, sine its opposite, which is given by y over hypotenuse, which is r. Okay, so we already have our y from just the way the question is asked. We have got our y. I'm going to try to put it down here so that we can be able to deal with that question when we answer it. Okay, y it's given by 8, and therefore r is given by 17. So it means we're looking for x in terms of Pythagoras. We don't know what is x now. Okay, but the question says that theta, sorry, this is not theta, alpha. The alpha is between 90 and 270. Okay, let's draw a diagram here with an aid of a diagram. There you go. So this is that's your 270 there, and then 90 is there. So it means now this should be between the second quadrant and the third quadrant. Okay, so now, but now let's decide where is y positive. Y is positive up here. Okay, y is positive up here on the second quadrant. Here is negative, so definitely it's not going to be on this quadrant. It's going to be on this one. Okay, it's going to be on this one. How did I decide that? Because our y, which is opposite to the angle alpha, it's positive, so it's going to be 8 there, and then r is going to be 17. Great stuff. All right, so we're looking for x, and we know that x is going to be negative because in this instant x must be negative because it's on the other side. Here x is positive, here it's negative, here y is positive, and down here it's negative. So whatever our x value we're going to get has to be negative. Okay, so let's come here and say, okay, according to Pythagoras, x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. Great. Okay, we're looking for x, so we don't know what is x, plus, and therefore y is 8 squared, r it's 17 squared. Okay, all right, so now with that said, now let's solve for this one. Okay, let's go ahead and solve for this one. Is going to be x is going to be square root of 17 squared minus 8 squared. Okay, all right, so if you punch that in your calculator, you should get that is going to be plus or minus 15. But we already know that is going to be minus 15 because here it's negative, so it's going to be negative 15. Right, great. So now we can go ahead and answer the questions. Okay, here the first question says tan alpha is going to be given by opposite over adjacent, which is in this case opposite, it's 8 over negative 15. Okay, and that's how you would deal with this one. And then when you come here, sine, this is a double angle, guys. So you, in order to convert this, you should be able to know that 90 plus any angle that is given, therefore this thing will change to cos alpha, and cos alpha is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent, which is minus 15 over 17. Okay, and then this one from the previous example, if you remember, please, if you even watched the previous example from this one, please go and watch it, because it will really assist you a lot. This is a double angle, so therefore we can change this to either sine or cos. Okay, so in this instance, let's say for example you didn't get this value of x here, you did something wrong here. Okay, so it will be best for you to change this to sine, because sine is given in the question. So minus, when you change it, is going to give you 1 minus 2 sine squared, 2 sine squared alpha. Okay, so therefore you're going to have 1 minus 2 sine is given by 8 all over 17 all squared. It's going to be equals to, when you punch this in your calculator, you should be able to get 161 all over 289. Yes, and that's how you would deal with this question, guys. Please let me know. Leave your comment at the comment section below, and make sure that you watch this series so that you can fully understand this example. So there's more examples coming up. Also, you might want to subscribe to this channel to make sure that we give you information and continuously practice together to make sure that you get those distinctions. I am Gaston Mapala, right here at Maths with Gaston. See you on the next upload.